interpreter? Dito can be our interpreter.
Randomizer?
Nag-randomizer. Okay, are you ready for your question, Katie Maloy?
I'm born ready.
Okay.
So, Maloy, your question is from Georgette Morcus. In an alternate universe, let's say you're not part of Beanie, but rather a bloom. What kind of bloom will you be, and will you show your love and support to Beanie?
If I am in an alternate universe, I think I will be a kind of bloom that has a kind heart, and initrato ko yung